Hey guys, in this video we will be breaking down trade idea for Coco, which was given in advance in my Discord channel. Note, it's not a signal group, it's a place for people who want to learn and study, which as usual consists of a combination of Ichimoku, technical analysis and market cipher. So let's reconstruct this trade and see how it played out. Alright, as usual, we're starting with Ichimoku, and from higher time frames, now we are on a weekly. What we can see big red Kumo cloud, which has downward movement. Also, price extended from the Kumo cloud and from weekly Kijun, which indicates strong bearish momentum. Alright, let's go down to 2 days. On 2 days, we also see big red Kumo cloud, which is very thick, which is only confirms our bearish bias. So, okay, let's go lower to daily. We are on daily time frame, and notice how price reacted when it reached the Kumo cloud. Strong rejection. Now we broke into the cloud, and usually not only outside border of the Kumo cloud acts as strong resistance, and inside as well. So we may assume that we are also in the area of resistance. Okay, also pay attention, Kumo cloud has flipped green on daily, which indicates bullish momentum, but for this trade setup we will be focusing more on 2 days, and that is the time frame on which we will be building our trades off. Okay, let's zoom out to 2 days. On 2 days, price near Kumo cloud now, and when we see this thick and big Kumo cloud, it usually tells us that it is most likely will act as a strong resistance. Alright, so for the time being we have confluence among higher and lower time frames. We are bearish on weekly, we are bearish on 2 days, and it all confirms our bearish bias. That's all with Ichimoku for now. Let's move on to technicals. Alright, as usual, we're starting from higher time frames, so let's zoom out to monthly. Okay, we're on monthly, so what do we see? We see this monthly level. Also, we have another one here, but it's far away from our current price action. So okay, I think that covers monthly. Let's go down to weekly. Alright, we are on weekly, so what do we see? We see this weekly level, and also we have this one, this weekly level. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go down to daily. Okay, we're on daily, and what do we have here? We have this daily level, we have this daily level, and I think that's all with daily. Alright, so what do we have now? We have this zone, in which for the time being we have daily level and also weekly level. And how does it align with Ichimoku? It aligns quite well, because we are near resistance zone as well. We are near Kumo cloud, so let's write it down. Alright, so this is our first and main confluence, which we will be building our trade setup of. Okay, let's look at pivot points. We have R3 weekly, also near our area of interest. Let's write it down. Let's look at monthly pivots. They are far away from our area of interest. Alright, so let's look at anchored VWAP from this swing high. Okay, so we are not that far away from it, so it also might act as an additional confluence. Also, let's take a look at our Pitchfork. Notice how well it acted as support, and now we are reaching upper side of our channel, which naturally acts as a resistance. We can also add it to our list of confluences. I think that's it with technicals. Let's move on to market cipher and let's see what it will tell us. Alright, so when we are trading on 2 days time frame and we are taking short position, we want to see money in red on higher time frames. We want to see money in red on 2 days and on 1 day. But on 4-hour time frame, we want to see what's called basic strategy. or V-shaped divergency. When indicators starting diverging like this and money flow starting to coming down like this. And on 1 hour time frame, we also want to see V-shaped divergency and money flow coming down like this. Notice we also have divergency on daily time frame, which is forming right now. Alright, so let's zoom out back to 2 days. So for the time being, all our conditions are met. So let's finish reconstruction of our trade and see how it played out. I would target this level as a TP1 and this one as a TP2. Okay, so we can see our trade played out exactly as we expected. If you find this analysis useful, please drop this video a like. And I hope to see you in my Discord channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.